My name is Stefanie Gillmeier. I'm assistant professor at the University of Eindhoven, and we participated in the ERIES project with our atmospheric boundary layer wind tunnel. In total, we had 7 user groups visiting over the last 4 years, consisting of about 30 people. And we conducted projects related to the urban environment, about safety for air pollution assessments on vessels, for transports like lorries and platooning, but also about pedestrian wind comfort, climate assessment, and how to improve microclimate predictions in complex urban geometries. One of the projects was looking at the Eurocode and how the upstream roughness that needs to be indicated to consider structural loading can be improved in the new revisions. For us in particular, this was a very rewarding and very interesting project because it brought together a large variety of people, from industry to researchers, from nearby but also far away. And the fact that we had such a facility that many of those were lagging to realize their interesting research ideas was in total a very rewarding experience.